Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am gonna be talking about Pear OS Monterey. If you do not know what Pear OS is, it's just Mac OS. Okay, sorry, that's a lie, but it's a Mac OS copy, but it's a Linux distribution. So if I'm not wrong, it should be a Linux distribution. So we are just gonna look through it first. You can tell that this is definitely based off Mac OS because as you can see here it says Pear OS. This is the exact same style Mac OS is named in because I use a Mac, so I know. And Monterey is the newest 12, OS 12 for Mac OS as well. And as you can tell, this is also in beta because Apple is also in beta. So yeah, we are just gonna go in systems and we're gonna change this to 4 cores enable VT plus. Sorry man, dash X, but it's fine, we'll load this in. No, not what I meant to do. Okay, I feel like this is this reminds me of an operating system I've used before. Pear OS. Great. It definitely reminds me of my Mac. Not even gonna lie, this looks so similar to Mac OS, except that's just a Pear logo, which is just very weird and unique because not every day you expect to be seeing this. Because I mean, if you use Windows, you don't even know what this is. But yeah, anyways, you're just gonna wait for this to do its thing. If I'm not wrong, I'm afraid it won't be able to boot, but I don't know if to never mind, it did boot. And yeah, okay, it did work. Whoa, this is not even gonna lie, very cool. This looks just like macOS. Wow, I'm amazed. Like actually, this is like, if you guys seriously don't feel like using, a Mac, this is a Mac. I mean, a Pear. Yeah, a Pear, not a Mac. But I'm gonna take a picture of this firstly, and this looks so similar that people will think that I'm running this native. Because seriously, if you didn't move your cursor all the way up, you can't tell it's virtual machine. And everything, actually everything about this parentage, okay? Only some things are very different. Not some things are different, not even very different. But you see, it tells you graphics, it tells me I'm using Intel Core i9, parentage PC, and there's a serial number that doesn't even say anything. But we're just gonna go to system reports and see what they have to offer. I might be installing this on my computer when it comes because this is amazing. It's kind of laggy now because, like I said, I'm using a virtual machine and they literally state on their website, do not run it on a virtual machine if you want a good experience. But yeah, we are gonna launch the install and see what it will launch because I do not know. Okay, doesn't remind me of my course, but sure, I'm gonna just no. Why okay, this is a problem. Great, I somehow exactly chosen the right thing. Okay, QWERTY, you're gonna erase and partition this drive. Gonna do this Monterey and I'm gonna do next. Okay, we're gonna do this cookie that. Okay, password. Okay, this is actually very fast as a setup. I will be doing an installation. I'm gonna start an installation, like a hardware installation when my PC comes. It's a 4 GB Hackintosh, which I do not know whether it supports because that I really have to check. So I'm gonna go and check how much RAM is needed for Pear OS Monterey because it's kinda, if I'm not wrong, just now I checked those actually necessary for, like, it's a decent amount. If I'm not wrong, it should be similar to Windows and Pear OS 7. Okay, no, it actually needs very little RAM. That is weird. I remember it saying it needs a decent amount, but oh wait, no, it's a different version of Pear OS. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna let this wait and let it self-install. It shouldn't take that long. Before that, I'm just gonna talk about what Pear OS is. If you can't really tell, this is just a straight up copy of Mac OS, because it's quite obvious. You can literally see this here. You can see that's just the installer and everything. It's very laggy. But if you don't wanna, go break Apple's terms and disagreements, go get a Packintosh. Yeah, it's not a Hackintosh, it's a Packintosh. But yeah. Anyways, not even gonna lie, this is actually pretty decent if I'm using on real hardware, but as you can tell, it's kind of laggy right now. But yeah, I have 8 gigs of RAM, probably the problem right there. You're gonna get anything better than that, it's gonna be very long. But yeah, I can't even track this. I would set up dual monitors on this, but I don't think it's gonna last. We're just gonna wait for the system to respond. But yeah, anyways guys, I know this isn't the best way, so I'm probably gonna be doing how was that called, everything. I'm probably gonna do it on real hardware next time. Like when my computer comes, I'm gonna be running all of this on actual hardware, so you guys will have a better experience than doing it this way, because I know it's kind of painful just waiting for this and everything, trying to wait for it to install. And if you can't hear my background noise, which is the Max fan, it's spinning up very hard, and it's not a good thing. And if you do not know what Monterey is, like I already explained at first, Monterey is Apple's latest operating system. But if you don't want to install Pear OS Monterey, they also have an older version called Pear OS, not Big Sur, Pear OS Thick Sur. I'm not even kidding, it's spelled THICC. So yeah, you guys can go check that out. But if you guys don't want that, you have Snow Mojave, which I have no clue how they even got that name, since Mojave's a desert. But yeah, they just somehow got that idea. Okay, we'll leave it up to the devs. And they have Catalina, and they have Pear OS 9, they have Pear OS 8, the start versions as well. But yeah, anyways, it's lagging that bad. I can't even get real system overview right now. So yeah. Okay, never mind, that works now. Anyways, now this is loading. It's Debian and Ubuntu. So yes, I am not wrong. It is indeed, a Linux distribution. Anyways, I just noticed you don't have Apple TV, you have Pet TV. I don't even think this works, but I mean, sure. And as you can tell, these are all Apple things, but they obviously changed it. Okay, this is a joke. FaceTime is never mind. We'll just see what we named it. Okay, Gwen viewer, okay, makes sense. It's just a skin match, okay. Mail. P message, never heard of that, very weird. This is probably Epiphany, okay. This launchpad works. But that's really all I care about Mac OS. I mean, are we really gonna fight over that small change? I mean, yeah, it looks different, and I mean, you don't have Siri, you have PV, but I mean, sure, maybe we're just gonna download this first. Okay, it's gonna reboot everything, and we are loading in. Ah, perfect. Okay, we're gonna press enter to remove installation media. Wow, I'm actually surprised. This looks just like Mojave. Or Mojave. Yeah, it just looks like, Mac OS Big Sur. Okay, that was not even gonna lie, very weird, but yeah, anyways, we're gonna type in our password. If this was a true Apple update, I know they will forget my password, but this is not Mac OS. And if you guys don't understand what I'm trying to say by the meaning of that, every time I do a Mac OS update, they get something wrong. And I'm not even kidding, it's every time. And yeah, this right here, trust me, half the world is gonna believe that this is Mac OS, because okay, not half the world, only 10% of the people know what Mac OS look like, since according to stats, less than 10% know. But some are just pure Apple fans and they know, or something like that. Anyways, you're gonna check out Pear TV, because we don't have Apple TV, obviously. We're gonna just... Okay. Why is this doing this? Excuse me. just gonna right click. Okay, yeah, right click. Okay, this is kind of glitchy, like I said. Firstly, I'm almost 100% sure double click doesn't work at this point, so I'm just gonna launch Launchpad if Launchpad would want to launch. Okay, I can tell that this is not doing very well in terms of spec, but yeah. Okay, I would go and upgrade the RAM right now, but can I at least get system settings up? Because if not, I will really have to trust their website, because their website states it doesn't work well. But anyways, I guess this calls for a reboot time. I'm gonna power the machine and restart it. I mean, no, overall it looks great, but problem is that we are not. There's no standardized amount of RAM. This is also not standardized amount of perfect 8 gigs. Actually, no, I probably need to give it a bit more, like 32. Okay, that does it. We're gonna add a 16. Okay, 16. Okay, sure, around there will do. Pear OS added Linux distro, disable remote recording. Pear OS. Okay. Hopefully this works. This probably would work, but sure. Okay. This shouldn't take that long. Okay, great. This actually loaded very fast. Probably because of the RAM upgrade we had there. But yeah. Okay, give me a moment, guys. Okay, sorry guys for the thing. Give me a moment. Yeah. No, question my typing, guys. Okay, we are just gonna did we kill your graphics? Okay, give it a moment. Okay, we will get by doing this. Anyways, we have did the graphics driver just fail on me? Okay, I have a feeling that the graphics driver did just fail on me. I'm gonna change this to VBox VGA and hope that this magically works. Okay, so Pear OS does work, but just not that well, guys. So we're just gonna let it reload one more time. I mean, it looks very realistic at this point. So if you guys wanna give up on Mac OS, like I said, if you feel like Mac OS needs a change, yes, this actually works now. This is taking my full screen. Okay, yeah, sorry, let me continue talking first. Yeah, if you want to change, yeah, give me a moment. The screen is flashing, and this calls for a shutdown if this continues. Yes, it definitely calls for a shutdown. Okay. And Command C doesn't work. Command F. Command. Oh, VirtualBox just died. That's it. Let me just. Hopefully, I don't understand why this doesn't work. Okay, it's probably because of the graphics driver. No, stop this. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go and hopefully see. No, we have to pause it. Close that. No, never mind it. We're just gonna change this back to VBox SVGA because we probably need SVGA. But that won't work. So yeah, if this works, I will recommend it to you guys. Okay. Even though I'm 100% sure they said do not use a virtual machine, but if this works, I give it to them. Okay. I trust them. Because from what I see now, I definitely do not trust them. Okay. I mean, sure, it's booting. And I mean, it's flashing. Okay, after I posted that thing on my WhatsApp status, people are screaming at me. Why are you using Mac OS? I thought you're a Windows user. Firstly, I was never a Windows user. Secondly, this is not Mac OS. This is Pear OS. Can people get this straight? And I still cannot get Pear OS to work. I mean, at least I loaded it, right? I'm trying, guys. So just give me a moment. Hopefully this works. then yeah, and yeah. Okay, we are just gonna let this load. I don't know whether this works, this might not, and I seriously don't think it will. It's not even responding, so yeah. Anyways, guys, I don't think this will work for now, so I'm just gonna command. Actually, no. Mail just started itself. No clue who started it. Can't close it either. Neither did I open up Gmail. And if you can't hear, I'm just clicking my thing to close it. But yeah. Okay, hopefully this closes someday, sometime. No. Apple, no. So. Yes. Close this. Please close this. Yeah, if you're running a virtual machine, unless you have some GPU pass-throughs and stuff, just don't run it on a virtual machine. Oh, F4, it works with F4. What just happened? Okay, give me a moment again, guys. I'm gonna probably need a soft keyboard right now because I'm not gonna be able to do anything. So let me go get myself a soft keyboard right now. Input keyboard, soft keyboard. Okay, why is this so huge? Okay, this, if I'm just gonna close the keyboard because it's too big. And it's fine, we fixed the problem. And we hopefully will get this to work. No, it only wants to do its own thing, so I guess not. From this video I've learned that if you should really listen to instructions. If they say don't use a virtual machine, just don't use a virtual machine. So yeah, guys, anyways, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, smash the like button and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.